Hi guys, welcome back to another recipe, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Please consider subscribing to the channel. It helps other people know when I'm posting videos. Well, today we're going to be making this peach cobbler, and I absolutely love peach cobbler, and this recipe will work with just about any fruit, have your favorite fruit. Just be mindful that some of this fruit is probably not keto approved, and this would probably be for more of a lazy, dirty keto dessert. Only because they're peaches and they pack a lot of carbs and sugars that you don't really need. So if you're doing true keto, you're going to have to keep an eye on it. Now, the only thing I forgot about to do on this particular recipe when I originally filmed it, I forgot to film the part where the final product, that when you took it out of the oven and I actually sampled it, I thought I was filming it at the time, and the camera cut out on me. So I'm just recycling old videos that I posted at one time or another with a new voiceover, and this is pretty much simple. And I ended up using frozen peaches, as I recall, and I'll have all the directions in the voiceover over the timeline along with the subtle background music. So without further ado, let's just go right into the recipe, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Okay, so for this ingredients is you're going to need some almond flour, a half of a cup, and then we'll need 1/4 of a cup of coconut flour. You can see me putting in the ingredients into the mixing bowl, and this is the dry ingredients. You could sift the flour if you wanted, and I'm using the Walmart brand. And then you'll need 2 tablespoons of powdered swerve, which is perfectly fine for keto. And I believe that was pretty much it. I didn't put any salt in here because my butter was already salted, but you could put salt in, a little pinch of salt at this point. And so now I'm just talking over the timeline how much I put in on the original video that I posted, and I don't think I ever posted this video up because I forgot to film out that part where I took a final photograph. And now you just give everything a good mix, and you always want to mix everything up before you add your wet ingredients. Now we're going to add 1 large egg under room temperature, and then we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream, and then we're going to mix it up really well. Now once you get it all mixed up there and incorporated, it's going to feel like sandpaper, and that's the way it's supposed to feel. And then we're going to take a pan, and we're going to spray it with a little bit of cooking oil spray. Put peaches on the bottom of the pan and lay it out nice and evenly. And it doesn't necessarily have to be peaches. I mean, if you're not doing low-carb weight loss or whatever, or keto, you could probably do apples. You go any kind of fruit, blueberries, strawberries, anything. But this is basically the highlight of this particular recipe. It's not so much the peach cobbler, it's the cobbler crust. And I can't remember who originally got the recipe from, but most of those recipe channelers, they're all in the show more. And now I'm spraying out the peaches evenly, and then I'm adding a tablespoon of xanthan gum, because xanthan gum acts like a thickening agent. And that's pretty. Oh yeah, and 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and I actually had the fresh lime, I believe, and I was squeezing it into the over the top, and that actually lemon juice that I'm using, but lime juice would work too. And now I'm just kind of like spreading the powder out, just trying to mix it up the best I can in the mixing bowl a little bit before I add the flour on top, which is the crust batter. Now we're going to add the crumble mixture on top, and just follow me along, guys. You'll be fine. And again, I'm sorry about not posting the final video photograph, but I just forgot, the camera ran out. I couldn't remember, like I said on the original video film. Now you're just going to add a few tablespoons of butter on top, and you're going to bake that in the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes or 2. Everything is golden brown on the top. Be careful not to overcook your almond flour because it will burn. And again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for coming along with my journey, and have an amazing day.